Ever walk into a room and it feels like a damp cave? Even though the AC is running, most homeowners think buying a premium mini split means they're safe from that muggy feeling, but there's a massive trap in how these systems handle humidity. One of the brands we're looking at today has a trick up its sleeve to stop that, but it'll cost you. The question is that extra cash just for the name, or is it actually buying you a better night's sleep? I've spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches. Before that, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't look at mini splits like an engineer looking at a spreadsheet. I look at them like a guy who's had to crawl into hot attics to fix them when they fail. I know what lasts and what's just fancy plastic. Today, we're pitting two premium category heavyweights against each other. The Hitachi airHome 600 series and the Mitsubishi Electric Plus GL series. They look similar on the outside, but they represent two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. One is the new kid on the block with some smart tech, and the other is the industry veteran that everyone else tries to copy. Hitachi is coming out of Japan while Mitsubishi splits its production between Japan and Thailand. In this league, that's like comparing a Lexus to a high-end Toyota. You're getting world-class manufacturing standards either way. When parts are made in these facilities, the fit and finish is tight, meaning fewer annoying vibrations and rattles coming from the wall unit while you're trying to watch TV. Both of these units are packing coated coils. These coatings act like armor, protecting the metal and making sure the system actually lasts the 10 plus years it's supposed to. But here's the kicker. The Mitsubishi GL is famous for its ability to idle at a very low speed. That means it keeps the air moving and the humidity out without ever actually stopping, creating a much more stable environment. The Hitachi airHome 600 sits at a solid 23.0 SEER. But the Mitsubishi Plus GL steps it up to 24.6 SEER. Think of SEER like miles per gallon. Over the course of a 5-month cooling season, that extra efficiency in the Mitsubishi is going to shave a few more dollars off your bill every single month. Here is where the rubber meets the road. The Hitachi averages around $1,122, while the Mitsubishi Plus GL comes in at $1,925. That's an $800 gap. You're paying for the Mitsubishi tax, which is basically the cost of their massive support network and decades of proven reliability in the US market. The Hitachi is the budget-friendly premium option, but does it save you money if the performance isn't quite as refined? This is a surprise. Both of these brands are showing high confidence. We're looking at a 10-year unit warranty and a 12-year compressor warranty on both. Usually when a manufacturer gives you 12 years on the compressor, they're saying, we don't expect to see you for a long, long time. Hitachi includes an occupancy sensor and frost wash technology. That sensor is great. It knows if you've left the room and turns the temp up to save money. The Mitsubishi GL is a bit more old school in its features, focusing more on air filtration with its nano platinum filter. It's basically a choice between smart tech, Hitachi, and pure performance, Mitsubishi. Listen, I don't care which one you buy if you don't do this one thing. Clean your filters. If you let dust build up, the airflow gets restricted. When the air can't get through, the temperature of that coil drops too low, and the whole thing will turn into a block of ice. Once it ices up, you're looking at a service call. 5 minutes of cleaning once a month saves you 500 pounds later. You want the truth? If you're looking for the absolute best performance and you have the budget, there's only one way to go. Winner Mitsubishi Electric Plus GL Series. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.